python2.7 Store boolean values as individual bits when writing to disk. I'm writing code that converts integers into padded 8-bit strings. I would then like to write those strings to a binary file. I am having problems figuring out the proper dtype to be used with the numpy array that I am currently using. In the following code, when I have been _data variable set up with dtype equals np.int8, the output is when bin_data is set as dtype equals np.bool_, the output is always true as shown below. When I look at the xxt dump of the data when using the dtype equals np.int8, I see an expected byte being used to represent each bit, 1, 0, E00000001 or 00000000. Using dtype equals np.bool_ leads to the same problem. So the two main questions I have are: why is bool always reading as true when reading an array element? How can I more efficiently store the data when I write it to the file such that a single bit is not stored as a byte but instead just concatenated onto the previous element? Here is the code in question. Thanks. Edit. What I expect to see when using dtype equals np.bool_.
The reason that bool is always returning true is that a j is a non-empty string. You need to cast a j to an int before testing with bool, and also before assigning it as an entry to a numpy bool array. You can just call numpy.packbits to compress your boolean array into a int8 array. It pads for you if needed, and then call numpy.unpackbits to reverse the operation. Edit. If your boolean array has a length that isn't a multiple of 8, after packing and unpacking your array will be 0 padded to make the length a multiple of 8. In this case, you have two options. If you can safely truncate your data to have a number of bits that is divisible by 8, then do so. Something like data equals data column 8, len data/8. If you can't afford to truncate, then you are going to record the number of meaningful bits somehow. I suggest making the first byte of your packed data equal to the number of meaningful bits mod 8. This will add only 1 byte of memory overhead, and not much compute time. Something like packing. Unpacking.
Si vous vend tout simule, créancé comme figure subscribing.